water. And then when you made that suggestion, and we have implemented it, I must say, right honorable, this company has done us proud.
Let's preach for may it be a blessing for people. May each make assistance needs and projects that are government.
So on behalf of the President of Uganda, I commissioned this bridge, Kadaga Bridge, one of the most beautiful bridges in the country, the strongest, good quality. May it bring prosperity to the people of Kedi, people of Soga, people of Uganda. Everybody will get well.
So where is Kaliro now? Where does Kaliro start from?
Kaliro starts from
after the bridge.
Oh, so
where we began and here it's no man's land. So this is a Kaliro.
So Mama,
Honorable Right Prime Minister,
stop
you are
here.
most welcome to Kaliro. Kwaniriza ino abantu be Kaliro epalisa tuli balala abo ayinza okwebaza gavumenti mukwano gwaife Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ne minisita waife ono ow'enguudo. Twalisabye nti ono ye ayina ensenze akolerera paka Kaliro. Aye yankoba ati bwendogerayo wenayogera naye ajja akikola. Kubanga bamala designs era nga minisita waakobye ebya compensation can come.
so they didn't manage the motion economy very well. They want you to bring people back there. And so I don't know, what's your timeline?
They are excellent performers. I want to confess to you, Mama, that work you see in Palisa town, in Kumi town, they have done it with down money. We will have to pay them later. And they have done an excellent job. Ordinarily, some companies would be limping and they would have found a problem completing work with that kind of quality.
Uganda, he's not able to come himself, but he assigned me yesterday to come and commission the ones here. I want to thank and welcome the Arab contractors. I have history of these Arab contractors. Many years ago, I wrote to them to come to Uganda. When I was the Minister of Foreign Affairs, it must be about 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And they've been here, they've been doing a lot of work. But I'm particularly happy that when I commissioned the Trinity Palisa Road, I think, I came here and now saw their physical work, the Trinity Palisa Road. And when I went back to Kampala, I told me that some contractors do a great job and we should ask them to do more work. So I'm really happy that we got the town road, we got this important Kadaga bridge. Thank you so much for the work you've done, and thank you for the policy. About the issues you whispered to me on the road, I will attend to them. I will attend to them. I will attend to them so that you are able to do more work. But let me assure you that you are highly regarded within the government. And the proposal that you complete the rest of the roads has been made. It's only now waiting, as Mr. says, concluding, tying up a few loose ends, because there's a lot of bureaucracy in government, but you are one of those which are really high up. So I want to commend you and look forward to working with you on other projects.
From Bridge of Saka and Kaliro. Right Honorable, I remember you raised it in cabinet. There was a positive note. We were directed to do one or two things as a ministry. There is just a small technicality that we have to complete, and then we'll give green light to Arab contractors to complete the work. But there is no harm, right Honorable, if you reminded us authoritatively on Monday, where we always sit on Monday, so that we may bypass the protocols that sometimes are associated with us who handle this bureaucratic hurdles in order to have projects work. So that is going to happen. And then my people are asking if it can be connected from Palisa to Aleles and then to Ngora. That, first of all, I will be commissioning that bridge very soon. Then we'll discuss the road. But also the other one is from Kaliro. We should be able to go straight to Simba Dam without necessarily going to Igang again. And so that discussion is also ongoing. The studies have been completed. It is just now us again pronouncing ourselves on Monday when we sit, and then you give us green light, and I will direct these people to implement that accordingly.
My name is Engineer Salah Radwan. I'm the General Manager for Arab Contractors.
I'm telling my brother,
The construction periods for the bridge of Saka, it was
get out of the road and let me direct
36 months with the design
So the person
period, which
speaking to you,
it was 6 months.
the person speaking to you
Unfortunately,
is
we
incoming
finished the
chairman
project
LOC.
1 year before time.
Yes, I worked with my brother. But
And I wanted to use
we
the
are all in the
opportunity
Palisades
to thank His
speaking.
Excellency to give us this
We all went and invited
chance
together.
because
We all
we know
came
that
to
the
the district
bridge
council.
caused a lot
When
of
he was
problem
the
for people,
speaker,
and people die trying crossing the
was,
water in this area.
Member
And now we are
of the
standing
council when he
when we
became a
finished the
vice,
bridge.
I was
Even
also a minister.
now the project 2 years
Now
ago,
the other time when
people
he
use
came, we
it
all wanted to
without
come
any
together, but
problem.
he told me no, my
And
brother, you first
we
wait.
promised the people of
Let
Uganda
me
and
go
the
for
community that we will
5
stay
years, then you come.
here
So the
and
5 years are
helping
over, I'm now coming.
the improvement of
However,
the country
according
and share the
enough
government to
respect
do more
as
job.
awarded,
How much
share.
was it?
I hope that one is taken. And
It was
I don't
around
want the
$20 million.
politics of hatred.
How many kilometers?
No, if chance comes back to him,
This
I will
one
say, okay, you
is
now.
about
But I am sure
3.5,
chance is coming
and we
back.
have another 500
Okay, I
from
am
each
sure
side
of that one.
as up
But
to
we
road,
should
so the
have
total
that
was
harmonized
4.5
political
kilometers.
environment. But that's not very important.
Ochua David, Member of Parliament, Agguddewo County. Traditionally, this was a greater county. It was great and bigger, and was divided into 2 or 3 constituencies. We as people of Palisa, we are grateful to the NRM government, especially to the President Yoweri Museveni. One, for the commitment to his manifesto. Like you have seen, the road network between Tirinya and Palisa, Palisa to Kumi, Palisa to Mbale are already tarmacked, and all the road is tar. And of recently, like today, we have commissioned a bridge. This bridge is a great link between us and the people of Busoga. Like you have heard what the chairperson and all the leaders have mentioned, it is a great achievement to us as people of Palisa, which we are looking towards for purpose of improvement of livelihoods of our people.
Nsuubira nkulaakulana lwakuba bwe tubeeredde wano mwalabye ebimotoka ebinene nga byetisse ebintu nga bitambula okuva e Palisa n'ebimu nga biva eri era bijja e Palisa. Ekyo kitegeeza waliwo trade wakati w'abantu b'e Palisa n'awalala yonna ebimotoka gye bivudde era gye bigenda.
Embeera yali etya nga tebannabakola?
That stream yalimu accidents nyingi. Zijjukira olumu waliwo abagole abaali bava side z'e Palisa mu kifo kye bayita Gogonyo, baatuuka awo ku bridge nga amazzi gasaze era bonna ne bafiira awo, agaali amasanyu ne gavaamu ebiwoobe. So embeera yali mbi nga tewaliwo contact mu trade wakati wa Palisa ne Kaliro n'ebifo ebirala ebiri eyo.